know where I got it in my head that art restoration is only for like millionaires in museums, because I was lying to myself. This is 10 years of neglect on one of my most prized possessions, the artist-proof serigraph of Leroy Neiman's Lion family. He touched this, and then I let these people touch it, and they touched it good. They picked out a brand new mat, I picked out a brand new frame, and I thank the heavens that there are some magical people out there with magical little wands to get this thing looking like it wasn't bequeathed to a literal fucking child who stored it for as long as they could until they were at a point in their life to get it back to its former glory. Look at that absolute chaos. This is what I mean when I say an organized mess. Every single piece of pigment looks like it was put on there by accident, but also with so much purpose. So let me go ahead and give you permission. If you have a piece and you want to get it fixed, do it. You're allowed. You're an adult.